receive machine, you have this part, the Google, the protected Google, and this is a signal wire, and this is protective lens. This is a laser gun. There is trigger on the laser gun and the red point on the laser gun. This is water chiller, a water chiller gun. And emergency button, system button, water cooler button, the laser button, touch screen. And this is the laser source and water chiller. This is the air inlet. You can connect it with the compressed air or compressed argon gas. And this is power wire. You need to connect 380 3/4 electricity. Well, before you use the machine, you need to add water. Firstly, you need to open this cover and open this cover. This is water inlet. First, you need to add water in this place. Add water here. Add water here. When water arrives over this green area, then it's okay. Over this green area, it's okay. And this is water outlet. This is water outlet. Well, emergency button. Press the system, water code, and the laser. Turn the switch of the laser source and press the start. Wait a minute. Then you can press the laser start. The laser will be turned on.